I also forgot to mention.
Sorry, Vaishnavi, you also did not mention, no?
Yeah, 4th August.
4th August. Okay. Yes.
But August is my dad's birthday.
4th August.
Ma'am,
Leo's.
I did not mention.
Who's Deepa Paresh?
Maxi, I don't know. That's why I didn't take her in. I
Sorry?
thought it's someone from the power session.
Could be Paresh. I don't know. Okay.
Shall we take them in?
Let's see. I think yes. So, hello everyone. How was your day? How was remembering the magic practice? What did you write which was so nice about yesterday?
So I realized that मतलब every day in our blessings एक तो चीज होती थी जो आप yesterday की आप thank you कर रहे थे मतलब that's what I realized that even without the practice existing you were doing one thing which you were saying thank you for. And when you do the magic stone, so you always recollect all the things in your day.
Yeah.
So it had a very good feeling. The morning, mein aap exactly वही चीज you're thinking again. So it just made my mood so much better.
Yeah, very nice. So see, that is the whole concept. Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, okay, when you're writing your blessings, so sometime, sorry, you can write your blessings. And in that, a couple of things can be about the day, good things that happened the day before. Okay. So it's like when you're writing tomorrow, the 10 things you have to write. It can be a mix of blessings or the good things yesterday, or just the blessings, or just the good things. Okay. It can be a mix. So each day you have to write 10 things minimum, and maximum का कोई limit नहीं है, जितना ज़्यादा लिखेंगे उतना अच्छा, ठीक है? So this was one thing, and let's start the chapter.
Can I ask something?
Yeah, sure.
Why are we doing this for yesterday, like for the day before? Because we are already doing the good things that day itself for the rock. But then why?
See what you are why you are doing it, because Rhonda Byrne told us yesterday that in the sense like yesterday's chapter, that are just looking, if you're just thinking, okay, at night when we are off to sleep, we are putting good things in our subconscious mind. How are we putting that? We are thinking of the day and we are thinking, yes, today was a nice day. Many times days don't go according to our wish. Yeah, there are some ups and downs, but when you're going off to sleep, and if you sleep with something which is not happy, yeah, then you are feeding your subconscious mind with negative thoughts. Yeah, bad things that happen during the day. Generally, if you have a fight with your friend, or if your exam did not go well, if your teacher scolded you, just when you're about to sleep, those thoughts only come to your mind, because you're all alone, you're just you're just with yourself. Those thoughts come to your mind, and then you go off to sleep. What is happening then? You are feeding your mind with negative thoughts, and when the subconscious mind is awake, when you're sleeping, the subconscious mind is awake, and the 8 hours that you're sleeping, or the 7 hours that you're sleeping, your beliefs are getting built. Okay, those thoughts are there in your subconscious mind. So that is why the magic rock practice is important, that you think of a good thing that happened during the day. Okay, now when you're getting up in the morning, so that is like that, when you're sleeping, that is a good thought that the subconscious mind is working on, that yeah, things are good, there's so many good things that happened during the day, and this was the best thing. So you are telling the subconscious mind that there are good things, think of positive things, and you'll attract positive things. When you're getting up in the morning and you're supposed to write your blessings, that time you can think of so many more things, and you have to reflect on the day. So again, you are just when the subconscious mind is about to sleep. This, I think everyone is clear now. When we are right in the beginning of the book, we had discussed that why the magic rock practice is important, and why you have to write your blessings as soon as you get up. Remember, we had discussed this, the subconscious mind and the conscious mind. Just when you're getting up, the subconscious mind goes off to sleep, and your conscious mind is alert, awake. That is what makes you do things, Now you don't have to think how much toothpaste you have to squeeze from the toothbrush, which hand you have to use for picking up the toothbrush, right? You don't have to think of that. That automatically happens, yeah? That when you are combing your hair, which hand you pick up the comb from. When you're a kid, then your mom or your elders had to teach you, right? Haath se pen pakdo. If you are lefty, then they'll realize, "Arey, ye to har baar left se le leti hai pen ya pencil," yeah? So they are teaching you that time, because that time your mind is there is no stark difference between the subconscious and the conscious mind. That's why even Sadhguru said, when a child is small, most of our beliefs are formed till the age of 4. Okay, sometimes they even say up to 7, but most of the beliefs are formed till the age of 4. And when we are writing our blessings, or that time, you are feeding your mind to work on good things. The subconscious mind is going off to sleep with positive things. So that time your belief system is changing. पहले हम लोग को लगता था कि नहीं, strangers are bad, strangers will do bad things. Yeah. Now when we are changing this thought process, gradually we are changing this also. Yeah. And when we are reflecting and writing upon the good things that happened yesterday, you are again changing your frequency. You are thinking of positive things. Okay, is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Welcome, Archit. We missed you yesterday. And see, just when you said yes, ma'am, I remembered we have to do the warm-up. Okay. So thank you.
Yeah, I know, because I think that when you see me or you read my name, you only remember that.
No, I was missing you otherwise also yesterday. Everyone missed you. You know, Archit, everyone was thinking, where is Archit? Huh? Yes, so let's do the warm-up.
Why do I am thinking that I am the important man, because everyone was that.
Yes, you are the most important person here, Archit. You're the cutest. Others are also cute, but you are the cutest. Yeah. So
I am second smallest here.
Who's the youngest?
Pratyush, I can't read his name.
Pratyush. Yeah. Pratyush is not here. So now you are the cutest and the youngest. Huh? So you have the responsibility to remind everyone for the warm-up. Yeah, thank you. So let's start with the warm-up. And Anna had mentioned she wanted to read. Where is she? Okay, I think she'll join in again. Okay, so let's do the warm-up. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, please, today is the last day. Please, switch on your cameras. Shout.
I will on my after sometimes. I'm
Okay.
having my dear.
Okay. So no, it should be like, wow, session khatam. You should be excited and yes, jumping and shouting and doing the warm-up. Yeah. No? Okay. So at least switch on your at least unmute yourself while we are doing the warm-up. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, start. 10 little
10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears,
And one little nose. 10 little fingers, 10
little
little
fingers,
toes, 2 little ears, and one little nose.
nose. Yeah. Thank you, Deepa. Glad to see you and joining with the warm-up also. Excellent. Yeah. So Anna is still missing. So what should we do? Someone who wants to read?
Ma'am, I think Anna is here.
I can.
Anna is here. Where is she? Anna, you are here only. Sorry, you're right. Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. So let's start reading. Oh God, where did it go? Okay, just 1 minute.
Why is everyone wearing pink?
Everyone is wearing pink, yeah. Oh, that was like a
I told my mom the same thing. It's such a coincidence. Almost everyone is wearing.
Yeah, or see, though this is maroon, but still it will fall in the
The
category.
same shade, yeah.
Yes, awesome. Khushi, are you also wearing?
No, I'm wearing blue.
You can change and come while the reading is on, the camera is off. If you want, you can join the gang of pinks.
Okay, I can.
I am wearing orange.
I'm just kidding, Just kidding, Khushi.
Okay.
No, I don't have pink.
Arni, you don't have pink?
I don't have pink in my wardrobe.
Wow.
I don't have pink and I don't have green also, I realized. I
Acha.
have black and white.
Black and white, everyone has.
No, I have only black and white. Right?
Oh,
That's my primary wardrobe.
What, you are a born advocate, क्या? हाँ? मम्मा ने बोला नहीं, बचपन से ही तुमको वो वाले clothes पहनने हैं, right?
Yeah, I feel so.
Yes. So just once again,
You can see that in my this logo, that profile picture. There is a pink color.
Acha, theek hai. No, we would rather see you rather instead of the profile picture. Okay.
Okay, after some time.
Okay. Yes. So it's set. Actually, I'm scrolling on this. No. Yeah. Yes, Anna. Please start.
Your magical future.
So here again, when we are looking at this, what is this?
Telescope.
Yes. And how many have actually, seen things through this or try to look at the sky or the universe,
I have.
stars? Hmm?
I saw it. I saw the Venus and Saturn on
Wow.
9th of November 2019.
Okay, cool, cool. And others? Hmm?
I think I have to write about this. I have not seen anything.
Okay, yes, write about it. Very good idea, Archit. Yeah. So now, what is this supposed to do? Nitya, you only tell us since you have, or others can also, of course. So what if we have not seen anything to this, but we know the meaning, right? And what does it do?
It helps us see things far away.
Yeah. And when we are talking about things which are far away in the future, oh, मैंने खुद ही बता दिया hint, पर चलो कोई बात नहीं. So it's so here if we see,
What?
I already gave the hint that we look at things which are far away in the future. Yeah, if this book is telling us the chapter's name is The Magical Future. Yeah, so we are looking at things which are far away in the future, and how we're looking at it. If you look at this picture, there's magic dust here. Yeah, and there are magic dust. There is magic dust there also. So when you are looking at things standing here, and we are looking at the things which are far away, you think that the magic that we sprinkle here, the gratitude that we sprinkle here, converts the things into the future, into magic. Does it do that? That the things in the future turn magical when we sprinkle magic dust on things which are here in the present? So that is what gratitude is going to do. We are going to sprinkle magic dust now, and the things in the future will turn magical for us. Yes.
You are the builder of your life, and gratitude is your magical tool to build the most incredible life. You have now laid a foundation through these magical practices, and with the tool of gratitude, you are adding more floors to the building of your life. Your life will climb higher and higher until you touch the stars. There is no end to the heights you can reach with gratitude, and there's no end to the magic you can experience. Like the stars in the universe, it's infinite.
Yeah. So now when Rhonda Byrne is telling us that we are the builder of our lives, okay? So we read in that chapter, Cue the Magic. It's like we are the director. Yeah. We decide what is going to happen in the future. How are we deciding that? By choosing gratitude, by choosing happiness, by choosing good things that are currently happening in our life. Yeah, we are looking at the positive side, and whenever we are selecting good things, automatically good things are attracting to us. Yeah, see, it again depends on the depth of the feeling, but prima facie, or on the face value, if we are choosing good things, good will only come to us. That is the law of attraction. So if we have been doing the practices as designed, Rhonda Byrne is telling us, if we have done it like that, then we have laid a foundation. Everyone knows now. Everyone knows now what foundation is. Viraj was the only one who was confused about it. Yeah. So now we have laid the foundation, in the sense we have built the base, okay, on which our future is dependent, right? Like maybe you have done all that science experiment that if you soak a seed, and you keep watering it, you have to keep it in the sun for some time, not over water it also, and gradually a shoot comes out, a small shoot. You've done that experiment with the gram or a dal or a chana or something, you might have done.
Yeah.
Yes, you have done it. So same way, gratitude is like the seed. Okay, you have sown it, you are nurturing it with more and more gratitude. Yeah, and then gradually the shoots will come out, the leaves will come out. But do you think when you stop watering it, or when you stop keeping it in the sun, the shoots and the stems will come out, the roots will come out? Do you think so, or will it die? What will happen?
It will die.
Yeah, so constantly you have to keep adding gratitude, because that is the fuel which will drive more magic into your life. Okay, so gratitude is very, very important. That's why she's telling us, and with the tool of gratitude, okay, you are adding more flows to the building of your life. So you have to keep on adding gratitude. You have to keep on watering that seed. You have to keep on nurturing that seed with more and more sunlight and gratitude. Then the the sapling will shoot, or whatever. That is the time when the plant is actually growing. Yeah, so our life will climb higher and higher until you touch the stars. It's like the more gratitude you keep doing, more magical your life will be. Whatever you are thinking of wanting to achieve, it will happen in your life. Yeah, and there is no end to the heights. If you feel nahi aisa kaise ho sakta hai, kyun? You saw that video that I shared now, where the Bollywood stars, not these stars, Bollywood stars, Bollywood actors and actresses had shared how they achieved their dreams. Yeah, how they whether it was Sushmita Sen, whether it was Ranveer Singh, all of them, what did they do? They used
What you are talking about?
I had shared a video, Archit. You asked your mom, she'll show it to you. I had sent it in the group. Okay.
Oh, that video I have not seen yet. I think so.
Okay, you see it then. Otherwise, I'll repost it. Yeah, I'll repost it in the new group.
Okay.
So what did they do? They use the law of attraction. They use the manifestation techniques, but those wouldn't have worked had they not been grateful for whatever they had in that current state. Okay, so law of attraction is good, manifestation is good, but gratitude is the main thing. Okay, that will make you reach the stars, or that will make you achieve whatever you are thinking of. And no dream is too high. Like that song is not there, ain't no mountain higher. That song, it's like whatever you want, you can achieve that. Okay, yeah, please continue, Anna.
To speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. To enact gratitude is generous and noble, but to live gratitude is to touch heaven. Johannes A. Gaitner, 1912 to 1996, professor, theologian, poet.
Now he's telling us to speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. जो हम लोग इस बुक के पहले तक करते थे, है ना, हम लोग ये करते थे ना, we were being polite, किसी को थैंक यू बोल देते थे, कोई हमारे लिए कुछ करता था, सॉरी भी बोल देते थे, प्लीज भी बोल देते थे, मतलब एक आउट ऑफ decency, etiquettes, इसीलिए बोलते थे. Or like as the poet is telling us, just to be pleasant. Yeah, and to enact gratitude is generous. माने आपने किसी की help कर दी, आपने किसी को थोड़े पैसे दे दिए, so that is generous. Now when we are living gratitude, how do we live gratitude? When we are living in gratitude, it means हम लोग सोच रहे हैं उसके बारे में, हम लोग महसूस कर रहे हैं, उसको feel कर रहे हैं. That is the time you touch heaven. What is heaven? Tell me. What is heaven as for you? Someone please tell me.
I feel happy and good.
Yes, very nice. Did you attend the power session last wala kya? Huh? No? Okay. Good. Yeah.
But then, like, Bhojan is like chocolates, even then they say Jannat hai ekdam. So, like, something that makes you happy is heaven.
Yes, very good, Tanvi. This is amazing. Huh? Otherwise, people would say, "हाँ, मरेंगे तब स्वर्ग मिलेगा," है ना?
I absolutely don't believe that.
Yes.
So I also don't believe that.
Oh, wonderful.
Because from starting I have listened that when a person pass away, his what should we say, ghost, I think so.
Okay. ठीक है.
To another body.
Soul, it's called a soul, not necessarily the ghost. Soul, it is a soul. Can of course छोटे में हम लोग भूती बोलते थे, तो you are right, yeah, ghost बोलते थे, but it's the soul. So
कभी छोटा हूँ ना.
Exactly, that's why I said yeah. So sweet, yeah. Okay. So now you are right, and Tanvi, you are 100% correct. Heaven is like whatever you want. Okay, for me, heaven can be something else. Eating chocolate can be it's like you are in heaven, yeah. Or having an ice cream can be heaven for you, or achieving your dreams can be heaven for you. So now when we are talking heaven, to live gratitude is to touch heaven. Yeah, it means that if you are in gratitude, whatever you feel is your heaven. It can be a multi-storied house, a bungalow, reaching, becoming an IS officer, or achieving whatever you want, that could be heaven for you. And that is possible if you are living in gratitude. माने जितने भी हमने 28 दिन की जो practices किए हैं ना, walking gratitude, talking gratitude, breathing gratitude, drinking gratitude, it's like that only. Yeah, so when you're living gratitude, मेरे को लगा हम थोड़ा सा अमिताभ बच्चन जैसे sound कर रहे थे in that movie, but that's a fact. If you are, you know, living, talking, breathing, exercising, jumping, talking, like in every which way you are grateful, that is the time when you will definitely achieve your dreams. Okay, and that is heaven. Yeah.
The ideal way to move forward from here is to maintain the foundation of gratitude you've built and gradually keep building on it through increasing your depth of feeling. The more you practice gratitude, the deeper you will be able to feel it. And the more deeply you feel it, the less time you will need to give it as a guide.
Yeah. So now Rhonda Byrne is telling us that since we have completed a daily guided, you know, gratitude practice that we have been doing, from tomorrow onwards, yeah, what are you supposed to do? Either you can start from day one, yeah, and secondly, that she has not told us yet. She's telling us that if we continue doing it, more and more magic will keep coming to our life, and the more deeply you feel it, okay, the deeper your gratitude is, the deeper you feel it, and the less time we'll need to give it. Like in the sense, like जब हमने कोई चीज बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर ली है तो क्या होता है, हम तुरंत फटाफट कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. अब जिसको 2+2 अभी जो सीख रहा है, उसने कम बार प्रैक्टिस किया है, उसको क्या करना पड़ता है, 1 2 प्लस, जैसे हम लोग छोटे में करते थे ना, 1 2 1 2 देन विल डू 1 2 3 4, ऐसे करते थे ना बच्चे लोग, तो उसमें उतना टाइम लगता था. अब जितना ज्यादा हम लोग डीपली प्रैक्टिस करते आ रहे हैं, उतना जल्दी हम लोग चीजों में पॉजिटिव देखने लगेंगे, उतना जल्दी हम लोग को इस नेगेटिव सिचुएशन से बाहर चले आएंगे. Yeah. So the more you practice gratitude, the deeper you will be able to feel it, and the more deeply you feel it, the less time you will need to give to it. माने हम लोग उतना सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा, हम लोग फटाफट अपना gratitude feel कर लेंगे और depth से उतना feel कर लेंगे. Yeah. So now she is telling us how we are going to continue forward. Yeah. Please continue.
3 days a week of Remember the Magic, or combining it with 2 other magical practices of your choosing, should maintain your current foundation of gratitude and keep building the magic in your life so that your life continues to get better and better. For example, you might choose to do Remember the Magic on one day, magical relationships on the second, and magic money on the third day.
So now she's telling us to maintain your current foundation of gratitude. माने अगर अभी आपके लाइफ में इन 28 डेज में जितना आपने ग्रेटिट्यूड कलेक्ट किया है, ठीक है, आप चाहते हो इसी पेस पे मैजिक होता रहे आपके लाइफ में. इट्स लाइक, यू नो, मे बी हर 2 दिन में एक बार एक मैजिक हो रहा है. इफ यू वांट द सेम पेस which you have, you know, been getting in the past 28 days, if you want to maintain that, then we have to do practices 3 times a week. उसमें से भी रिमेंबर द मैजिक मस्ट है. रिमेंबर द मैजिक क्या हुआ कि रोज सुबह आपको 10 ब्लेसिंग्स लिखनी है, ठीक है. हफ्ते में अगर हम लोग 3 दिन करेंगे तो हमारा जो सेम मैजिक अभी जिस पेस पे हो रहा है, जिस स्पीड में हो रहा है, चाहे वो स्लो स्पीड हो या फास्ट स्पीड हो, वो मेंटेन रहेगा. तो शी इज टेलिंग अस, अगर अपन 3 दिन करते हैं तो रिमेंबर द मैजिक करना है. कोई एक दिन इफ यू फील कि फ्रेंड्स के संग रिलेशनशिप अच्छा करना है, मम्मा ने डांट लगा दी या पापा ने डांट लगा दी, एंड यू वांट टू इंप्रूव ऑन दैट रिलेशनशिप, आपने वो कर ली, एंड यू वांट सम मनी coming in your life, then you can do magic money on the third day. So, अगर हम हफ्ते में 3 दिन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हमारा सेम पेस ऑफ मैजिक रहेगा, ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर ओके विद दैट, आपको लगता है कि यहाँ इस पेस का मैजिक ठीक है, धीरे धीरे फाउंडेशन तो बन गया है, अब धीरे धीरे वो बिल्डिंग बनेगी या धीरे धीरे वो पेड़ निकलेगा, ठीक है. इफ यू आर ओके विद इट, देन यू डू इट थ्राइस अ वीक.
बट काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स तो रोज करना है.
बिल्कुल करना है. सो दिस इज व्हाई आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड यू गाइस टू जस्ट डू दिस. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड. अगर 4 days a week करते हैं तो क्या करना है?
4 days a week, 4 days a week of Remember the Magic, or incorporating it with 3 other magical practices of your choosing will maintain your gratitude and accelerate the magic.
Yeah. Secondly, if I say कि नहीं सिर्फ 3 ही दिन आपको Remember the Magic करना है, सिर्फ 4 ही दिन करना है, I am not saying that. Why? Because what did we learn from the first chapter? Maybe not the first, maybe the third chapter, that 1 complaint is equal to 10 gratitudes, right? 10 gratitudes. If we are writing 10 gratitudes every day, I'm sure each day we are doing more than 10 complaints, invariably thought में आ जाता है, बोल भी देते हैं किसी को, yeah. So when we are doing those 10 gratitudes daily, at least कुछ तो माइनस हो रहा है, या कुछ कंप्लेंट्स तो माइनस हो रही है हमारी. सो इसीलिए 10 ब्लेसिंग्स लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. रॉन्डा मन अब कह रही है अगर हम लोग हफ्ते में 4 दिन प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, यू नो एनी प्रैक्टिस ऑफ आवर चूजिंग, कि 4 days a week of remember the magic. She is telling us do remember the magic 4 days a week and combine it with any 3 practices of your choosing. If you feel your relationships need a boost, आपने तीनों दिन रिलेशन सॉरी कर लिया या उसको मिक्स कर लिया, मनी, हेल्थ, रिलेशन और wealth, तीनों को आपने मिक्स कर लिया, you can do that. Then what will happen, you will maintain your gratitude and accelerate the magic. ठीक है. तो if you feel नहीं सेम मैजिक नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को थोड़ा सा और चाहिए, थोड़ी सी मेरे को चाहिए, मेरी ड्रीम्स मेरे को जल्दी मिल जाए, then you do it 4 days a week. Now let's see 5 days.
5 days a week of remember the magic or incorporating it with 4 other magical practices of your choosing will dramatically increase your happiness and the magic in every area and circumstance of your life.
Yeah. So if you do it 5 days, what will happen? It will dramatically increase your happiness. अभी क्या था, इसके 4 दिन में खाली मैजिक धीरे धीरे एक्सलरेट हो रहा था, ठीक है, और ग्रेटिट्यूड का लेवल हमारा सेम मेंटेन हुआ था. इफ यू आर डूइंग इट 5 days a week, then it is dramatically, माने बहुत अच्छे से हमारे लाइफ में जादू होने लगेगा, हैप्पीनेस आ जाएगी, हाँ, और हर एरिया में इंक्रीज होएगा. सी जस्ट रीड दिस, 5 days करेंगे तो ये होएगा, 4 दिन करेंगे तो ये होगा, 3 दिन करेंगे तो सेम चलेगा, ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी 6 or 7 days.
6 or 7 days a week of remember the magic or incorporating it with any other magical practices of your choosing, and you will become the true alchemist who can turn everything into gold.
Yeah. So now when we are saying that you have to write your blessings every day, why am I saying that? Because we don't live in isolation. One, we need a lot of things. We have a lot of desires to fulfill. We want to attract good things in our life. We have a long list of dreams, not just the 10 that we were working on. We want money. We want good relationships. We want a lot of stuff in our life. So if we do this practice of remember the magic 7 days a week, we will become the true alchemist who can turn everything into gold. मतलब हम जो चाहते हैं, जो alchemist means a person who can turn anything into gold. माने ऐसा कोई तो जन है नहीं, हाँ, ऐसा लेकिन बोला जाता है कि जैसे पारस पत्थर होता है ना, जिसको छूता है वो सोना बन जाता है. Have you heard this, Archit?
Yeah.
Yes. So एक person है alchemist, ऐसा बोलते हैं, वो जिसको चाहे उसको सोना बना सकता है. It can be one Baba, I don't know, or it can be a person, okay, who is aware of this combination or this chemical reaction or something, chemical process, sorry, not reaction, कि वो जिस चीज को चाहे उसको सोना बना सकता है. और it can be someone who is so full of gratitude that he has this abundance of blessings that he can turn gold. क्या होता है? Not just money, not just that precious metal. It can be something which is like very very precious to you, something that you desire. Yeah. So जो true alchemist होता है वो क्या करता है?
Something which is valuable.
Yeah.
So can I add alchemist के ऊपर?
Yes.
So alchemist is like coming from Egyptian civilization. और वहाँ पे there was this specific group of people who were scientists come doctors. क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो differentiation तो होता नहीं था. So people who used science and who used these the power of the science to revive humans, to revive whatever they wish. So they believed in that civilization. People believed कि ये magical लोग होते थे because they could do anything. So they were the ones who came up with the concept of mummification और ये सब भी.
Yes. Yeah.
And that is why I think that is why it suits here, because
okay,
they could do anything.
Okay.
That is how people believe them to be.
Before I read Paulo Coelho's Alchemist also, I always knew that alchemist is someone who can turn anything into gold. Okay, so I don't know, TK, you've read about it, so it's very nice. But
this is Hazrat of Jesus, so it was very different to read about.
Okay. So we have understood, like if we are doing it 6 or 7 days a week, we are going to get whatever we want. Yeah, even if we go by the explanation that Tarini has given us, this is wonderful. So whatever we want to achieve, we'll get that. Yeah. So I am suggesting that you write your blessings every day. And if you feel कि नहीं आज friend के संग कुछ अच्छा relation करना है, then you do the relationship वाला practice. If you feel नहीं exam अच्छे से हो जाए, then you do the magnificent outcome. Yeah, if you are going for a result, you know, of some game or some exams. Yeah, exams that you have written, you can do another practice. If you feel बहुत सारे projects pending पड़े हुए हैं, then you can do the magical to do out list. Yeah, if you are planning for a holiday, then you can write a dream list. Like whatever you want, you just have to keep doing it along with this remember the magic and the magic rock practice. Okay,
Ma'am, I have a question. Like the thing which I wrote in the magic check, it did not it has not been fulfilled till now. So what should I do to fulfill it even faster?
so what you have to do is you have to hold it in your hand, okay, and you have to keep visualizing that you have received that item and what item was that, how excited you are to use it, how excited you are to unpack it. Okay, so you have to give it more gratitude. Okay, we just read now, the more gratitude we are pouring on the seed, the faster the seed will, not faster, it will take time to, you know, germinate, or the shoots will take time to come out. Okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
you have to
Ma'am, I have a question.
Raj, is it relating to it right now? Because we have quite some
Yes,
pages
ma'am.
to read. Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if we are grateful, then it means that even we can get magical powers.
Of course, don't you think it is magical? Whatever we are seeing in our life, that is magic. What else is magic? That whatever you can think
Ma'am,
of.
just like magical powers, that we can make anyone a rabbit or a monkey.
Why would you want to do that? What will you do with if a person turns into a rabbit?
Ma'am, just like you told the story that he had gold and he could turn everything into gold. So can we also get these type of magic powers?
Definitely not a rabbit or a monkey, that's for sure. Yeah. And secondly, regarding the gold, I said that whatever is precious to you, you can get that. Okay, that you will attract in your life. Okay, yeah, so you'll attract gold if you actually want gold. And you just like, you know, if you are giving gratitude to a magic check and you get your AirPods or you get your phone or your laptop, so isn't that magical? What are you doing? You are using your power of gratitude to create magic in your life. Okay, so that is how it will come to you, and that is how you are actually becoming a magician. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, Anna, please read.
Magic practice recommendations. To keep the magic continuing in the important areas of your life, like your happiness, health, relationships, career, money, and the material things that you own, you could do the specific practices for each area once a week. However, if you want to increase the magic in any area of your life, you should give more than enough and increased practice of gratitude for that area several days a week. If you are unwell, you will want to do the magical practices for your health every day, if not multiple times in a day. The following
Yeah, please continue.
the following recommendations will easily guide you toward the magical practices that will have the strongest and the fastest effect in that area. Follow the recommendations in the relevant area for 3 weeks minimum, doing each recommended practice once a week.
Yeah, so now Rhonda 1 has segregated like all the practices. Earlier we had done all the, you know, one day we would do health, then relationships, then money, then general stuff, then again health, relationships, money. That is how we progressed in the past 4 weeks. Now she's telling us if you want to focus on any one area. या जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में भी पढ़ाई करते हैं, तो क्या किया हम लोगों ने? शुरू में सबने ABCD पढ़ा, फिर सबने मैथ्स भी किया, हिंदी या कोई सेकंड लैंग्वेज भी पढ़ ली. Till class 8, I guess you read all the subjects, yeah, on the basic levels. Then from class 9 onwards, or nowadays you choose your subjects in class 9, right? Or 11?
9.
9, yeah. So from 9 onwards, you start focusing on particular areas, right? On particular subjects where you want to proceed ahead. So same way, in the past 4 weeks, we have like studied everything. Yeah, we have learned the basics in all the areas. Now, if you want to focus on any one area, like your happiness, health, relationships, career, money, yeah, or if you feel nahi mere ko sab mein chahiye hai, so she has told us how we have to proceed in the future. Yeah, so let's read. Like she's telling us, if you're unwell, you will want to do all the magical practices for health every day, if not multiple times in a day. माने अगर मेरे को suppose मेरे नी में कोई स्क्रैच आ गया है, या मेरे कोई ट्विस्ट हो गया, या क्रैम्प आ गया, या एंकल में कोई मोच आ गई, anything, and I want to focus only on my health, she's telling us either you do it every day, if not multiple times in a day. So she's saying no practice is just isolated for one particular time of the day. You can do it as many times in the day, और आप जितना ज्यादा करोगे उतना जल्दी उसका रिजल्ट आएगा. So let's read how she's telling us that if you want improvement in relationships, you can do these practices: magical relationships, magic dust everyone, magically heal your relationships, magic wand, magic mirror, and remember the magic. Okay, so if you want your relationships to improve, it can be in any relationship, your friends, parents, grandparents, anyone, teachers, किसी के संग में भी relationship पे अगर work करना है, so we have to work on these practices. If you want improvement in your health, you have to do work on these practices: magical health, magic dust, magic and miracles, magic ear, magic wand, and remember the magic. अब देखो remember the magic हर में रहेगा, ठीक है? So if you want more money, or if you want more material things coming to you, then you have to do these practices. If you want to improve on your career or on your studies, then you have to work on these practices on a regular basis. Okay, and if you want only to work on your dreams, then you have to do these practices. Okay, and now if you notice, किसी में भी magic rock नहीं है. Why? Because magic rock is a practice that you have to do every day. Okay, so Hannah, please read from your
magic rock. You can make the magic rock practice a part of your daily life by continuing to keep your magic rock by your bedside and using the time you get into bed as your reminder to be grateful for the best thing that happened that day. You can also carry your magic rock with you in your pocket, and every time you touch it, use it as your reminder to think of something you're grateful for.
Yeah. So now Rhonda Byrne is telling us that we should be doing this practice every day. Yeah. And if you want, you can carry it in your pocket. And if it is there in your pocket, each time you touch it, you can be grateful. Like in the Secret movie. Remember in the Secret movie, I'm just forgetting the writer's name.
I know.
Yeah.
एक मैन के पॉकेट में मैजिक रॉक रहता है. जब भी उसको वो याद आता तो वो he used to be thankful. And he was like first line है, जब भी मैं सुबह उठ के अपनी पॉकेट भरता तो वो पॉकेट के अंदर चले जाता. उसके बाद फिर जब भी मैं आके बाहर अपनी पॉकेट खाली करता तो वो फिर निकल आता.
Very good, Archit. Yeah. So those who have not seen the movie, please see it. Okay. And yes, you can carry it with you in your pocket, and as many times as you touch it, you'll be reminded to be grateful. Yeah. So that is how you can be more grateful. And second, your magic dust. So two very important practices that you should be doing. One is this magic rock, and one is this magic dust. Yeah. Please read, Hannah.
Your magic dust. You can also make the magic dust everyone practice a part of your daily life. Other than sprinkling magic dust over the people who serve you, there are many more ways to continue this practice. You can sprinkle magic dust over everyone and everything. If your boss is a bit grumpy, you can secretly sprinkle magic dust over him or her. You can sprinkle magic dust over a family member or loved one if they're in a bad mood, or anyone you come across who needs some magic in their life. You can also add magic wherever you go and sprinkle magic dust over babies and children, over your plants or garden, your food and drinks, your computer or your mail before you open them, your wallet, car, your phone before you take or make a phone call, or over any circumstance that you want to improve. The many applications of magic dust are limited only by your imagination.
Yeah. So see, this is another wonderful practice that you can incorporate in your daily life on so many occasions. Okay. It's like each time you are about to write an exam. जैसे हम लोग, how many of you write Om or some Satya or a Shri with your new pen? Or you write Om on your new register or your diary?
I do. New page.
Yeah, I do. New page.
New diary.
New diary. Yeah, I do a new diary and I write each time I, use a new pen or pencil. I do that. Yeah, I write a small scribble kind of.
Sometimes when I get remember that I have to write.
Yeah. So it's like we are already kind
a
of doing.
cycle or a new tennis racket and put a moli dhaga on it and then write.
Yeah. So see, we Indians are already doing these kind of things on a regular basis. But now adding on to it, अब क्या हुआ, एक बार हमने new pen लिख लिया. How long does a pen last? Like how long does a pen write? Not last.
Approx 1 month, I think.
Yeah. तो पूरा एक महीना में खाली हमने एक बार उसमें ओम लिखा है ना.
2 days.
2 days you finish off a pen. Very good. And when you buy a,
finish off a pen, we finish off the refill.
yes, exactly, whatever. So now Rhondaban is telling us that you can be, you can sprinkle magic dust as many times as you remember. Okay, like on so many occasions. And the best that I liked was that you can sprinkle magic dust over a family member if they are in a bad mood. I love this and I've practiced this a lot. Okay, कुछ नहीं हो तो मेरे को इतना अच्छा लग रहा था कि wow, I've done some magic. Like I just imagine that, yes, cool. What happens? I become a little more calm. And when I am calm, the other person's mood affects me a little less.
Divide by 3.
So you can try this practice. Okay, this is amazing. Like food and water mein to hum already kar hi rahe hain, over your plants, garden, anything. Yeah, so you can use this practice as many times as possible. And she's telling us the applications are limited only by your imagination. माने आप हर किसी पे use कर सकते हो. If you are working out, you can just sprinkle the magic dust on your shoes. Yes, today I'll work out better. Or on your weights if you're using that, or on your skipping rope, or on your bike if you're going on a bike. Or you can even sprinkle it in your hair pack or a face pack that you're going to apply. Yes, now this is going to make me prettier and happier. Okay, so you can do that also. So yes, so now I want all of you to write down.
What do we, and just one question, what do we say with the magic dust? Wohi jo, like thank you.
No, it's like whatever you wish it to do. Yeah, you can do that. Of course, if you're sprinkling magic on your family member, a person who's a little upset, don't make that person see that you are doing sprinkling on him. Ulta ho jayega wo. So when you're sprinkling, what are you supposed to say? I'm so grateful that this person is calm and composed and we are having a good time. Yeah. And कुछ भी नहीं बोलना है तो just say thank you that of course हमने मन में सोच लिया कि वो शांत हो गया है, वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा loving हो गया है. When you are or is more appreciative. If it's a boss, you can say कि thank you, this boss is so appreciative and liking my project. That way. If you are sprinkling it on your plants or flowers, you can say thank you for growing so nicely and blooming so nicely. Okay, so you can say like that. Whatever you wish. Like if you are opening an email, yeah, if you're opening an email, you can say thank you for giving me a perfect news, or thank you for sending me good projects, good mails, that way. So whatever you wish to see, you sprinkle that magic dust and say that. Okay,
I want to request.
Thank you.
I request to everyone to on their cameras because today's our last day. Matlab not last, after some days we will meet, but
yes, thank you, Archit. So they will switch on their cameras. I've told them by the time the reading is over, everyone will switch on their cameras. Yeah. Yes, so let's move on to the other chapter. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Archit. Yeah. So yes, Hana, please read.
The magic never ends.
Yeah. So here again, when we see this, to everyone knows now, what picture is this?
It's a nebula.
Milky Way.
Yes, yeah. And now when Rhondaban is telling us, it's the galaxy, no?
No, this is nebula.
Sorry?
Like beginning of stars, jaisa hota hai. Milky Way has spirals.
So these are all spirals only, no? ऐसे ऐसे जा रहे हैं ये सब, no?
Maybe.
मेरे को तो यही लग रहा है. And I thinking is the magic on it. मेरे को तो यही लग रहा है. Our galaxy.
Probably stars होते हैं ना, which are always living.
ये तो definitely magic dust है. Okay.
Galaxies, like either they can get destroyed, they can get eaten up also. they can merge into another galaxy. मतलब galaxy के साथ बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है यूनिवर्स में. Stars के साथ क्या होता है कि मतलब it grows, it becomes big, and then it becomes a black hole, which is also consuming stars. So it's always increasing. मतलब
But
this is
like
how
this is a picture we generally see
Yeah,
Milky Way
associated
as our
Milky
galaxy.
Way, exactly. That is what I'm about to say. You know, maybe Tarini, you have read a little more about.
I love Discovery पे
Oh.
into the universe. So
But generally, you know, if I Google Milky Way and galaxy, this kind of a picture comes with blue, and this is all either some light yellow, golden type of things or silverish kind of things. So this is what I have seen. Yeah. So I felt this
fair
is
enough.
Milky Way
Fair
galaxy. Yeah. Okay. And again, we are touching the surface here. We are not going too deep. Yeah. Because when we go deep, we find black holes and all that, right, Tarini? Yeah. So we'll stick to the Milky Way photograph. So here,
Okay.
yeah. So here, when Rhonda Byrne is telling us that the magic never ends, and we are seeing this Milky Way galaxy, means this galaxy has been here for ever and ever. Yeah. And it will continue. So the magic like this will continue forever. It might be that we stop being grateful and it is not visible to us. If it is not visible to us, doesn't mean it has ended. Magic will always be there, just like it was there before we started this session. It was always there. It's just that we were not aware of it. We always used to think कि कुछ bad luck हो गया है, कुछ good luck हो गया है. वो कुछ bad luck या good luck नहीं होता था. वो यही होता था, हम लोग जब grateful रहते थे तो हमारे लाइफ में हमको सब कुछ मैजिकल लगता था. जब हम लोग grateful नहीं रहते थे तब हम लोग को सब कुछ bad luck लगता था. Yeah, so that way the magic will always be there. Yes.
I practice gratitude every day of my life, and it's unconvincible to me now that I could have lived days, months, and years without practicing gratitude in some way every day. Gratitude has become a part of my personality. It is in my cells and it is a pattern in my subconscious mind.
Yeah. So now Rhonda Byrne is telling us about her, okay, herself, that now she is practicing gratitude every day. And we know she shared with us that before she got the book which her daughter gave to her, her life was, you know, a little challenging. She had so much money that she had to pay back. Her relationships were not good. Her company was about to get bankrupt. So many things were there. So that means she was not a young girl, okay, right? If she was having relationship problems, her company was not going okay, means mid-20s या late-20s हम लोग पकड़ सकते हैं. उनकी एज वैसे पता भी चल जाएगी हम लोग को if we go through her biography that what was the age that she actually felt, but definitely not early 20s, late 20s or 30s. या उसके बाद से उन्होंने gratitude practice एकदम रेगुलर कर लिया. हाँ, कि इस उनको लग रहा है कि उसके पहले पता नहीं वो कैसे रहती थी, that how could she have lived months and years without practicing gratitude in some way every day. Yeah, बिना gratitude के कैसे रहती थी उसके पहले वो खुद ही नहीं सोच पा रही हैं. And अब वो इतना gratitude practice करती हैं that it has become a part of her personality. So when she is telling us this, so we have to understand that if we want whatever we want to achieve, yeah, whether it's a trip to Bora Bora, whether it's bringing joy to people, whether it's achieving any material things, whether it's the house on the ocean, wherever or whatever we want, if we make gratitude a part of our personality, that is when everything we desire will come to us. Yeah. And she has been practicing gratitude so much कि उनके कण कण रोम like, you know, जैसे गाने में होता है ना, रोम में बसा हुआ है gratitude, and it's a pattern in a subconscious mind. तो अब ये जो subconscious mind में जो ये हमको pattern बनाना है उसके दो ही तरीके हैं. One is that magic rock practice before you go to sleep. Second, writing your blessings as soon as you get up. Okay, I heard someone else in the sense like some other coach who guides people in the magic practice, that you can write within 3 hours of getting up. Okay, so उसके बाद लिखने से थोड़ा कम फायदा करता है. जितना जल्दी लिख लेंगे, जितना, क्योंकि हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जितना, वो तो जैसे अपन कुछ काम करने लगते हैं वो सो जाता है. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डूइंग थिंग्स व्हिच यू डू ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस, मतलब in the sense like these motor activities that we do, brushing teeth, going to the loo, speaking to someone else, उसके पहले अगर अपन लिख लेते हैं तो बहुत इफेक्टिव होता है. Okay, so let's continue how else she is practicing gratitude.
But if
Ma'am, I think this book is just for increasing the magic in our lives because we already had magic in our life. But
Yes.
after doing this book, the amount of magic is increasing.
Yeah. See, before this book, if you are not practicing gratitude, magic has always been there. Okay. It was just that we did not have the eyes to see it, or maybe our eyes had these, blinkers. हम लोग को ये सब दिखता नहीं था. हाँ. वैसे ही अब हमको दिखने लगा है. पहले होता ही था, कभी दिखता था, लाइक आई सेड ना, लगता था कि ये लकी स्ट्रीक है, एक के बाद एक जीतते जा रहे हैं. जब लगता था नेगेटिविटी में आ जाते हैं तो हारते जाते थे. आई एम टॉकिंग नॉट जस्ट अबाउट अ गेम, in any situation. So this book is making us aware how to increase the magic in our lives. Okay, अब aware तो अपन हो ही गए हैं. From day one, even if you stop practicing gratitude, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि किस एरिया में आपने अभी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस की है, उसमें आपकी अच्छी चल रही होगी लाइफ. जिसमें कम ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस की है, उसमें आपको अप्स एंड डाउन्स दिख रहे होंगे. Yes.
I think that earlier we was not knowing that this thing can happen. That's why we can't see this magic.
Okay.
Because after when I have started this session, after that I have observed that I can see magic. What is happening to me, I can read that. I can see that. I think I am like this.
Okay, very good, Archit. Do that and continue doing gratitude and you'll see. Yes, Acha, let's read it, then I'll also share something. Okay, so let's read.
But if we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude, over a period of time, the magic will evaporate. I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I'm practicing gratitude enough or if I need to practice more. I watch my life carefully, and if I find that I'm not feeling as happy, I increase my practice of gratitude. If a few little problems start appearing in a particular area of my life, immediately I increase the magical practices of gratitude in that area.
Yeah. So now if we look at this line, if we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude, right? ठीक है, एक दिन हमने blessings नहीं लिखी, चलो आज एक magic rock भूल गए, सो गए. She's telling us तब एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होगा. But if we forget practice of gratitude over a period of time, अब वो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कितना होगा, इट विल डिपेंड कि आपने पहले कितना ग्रैटिट्यूड कर चुका है. ठीक है, अगर एक न्यू प्लांट है, अगर आपने उसमें पानी डालना एक दिन भूल गए तो शायद एक दिन में ही मर जाएगा. और एक थोड़ा सा बड़ा प्लांट है, राइट, उसमें अगर आपने 2-3 दिन में पानी भी नहीं डाला, फिर
थोड़े दिन वो मुरझाएगा, उसके बाद फिर वो ठीक हो जाएगा.
या एंड अगर वो मुरझा जाता है, फिर भी आपने उसमें पानी नहीं डाला, फिर क्या होएगा, फिर तो मर ही जाएगा ना.
हाँ, we should not say मर जाएगा.
Exactly, sorry, फिर वो नहीं रहेगा हमारे साथ. ठीक है, okay. So now
because I am in my house, I am the gardener.
Okay, cool, very nice, very sweet of you.
Observed many things about plants.
Okay, wonderful, Archit. So now Rhonda is telling us over a period of time the magic will evaporate. अच्छा, evaporation क्या होता है, सबको पता है? सबको तो पता ही होगा. Archit and Viraj and Vivan, आपको भी पता है. Sorry, but you guys are the youngest, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now we know.
Now you know ना. तो अगर evaporate हो जाता है,
the process in which water converts into water vapor is known as
yes, तो अब वो water vapor कहाँ रहता है, हवा में ही रहता है ना. So if you condense it, what will happen? Since I assume
it will convert into clouds.
It will convert into droplets again. It will convert into water again.
Yeah.
क्या है?
Yes.
वहाँ पे है, वहाँ से गायब नहीं हो गया. Yeah, it is still there, but we can't see it, right? तो अगर हम ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं करेंगे तो हमको मैजिक दिखाई नहीं देगा. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे तो वापस नहीं आएगा, तो वो वापस भी आ जाएगा. सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, इफ वी स्टॉप ग्रैटिट्यूड we will stop seeing magic, but if we start gratitude again, we will start seeing magic again. Okay, so now she is saying कि जिस एरिया में उनके लाइफ में वो क्या करती है, जैसे उनकी ग्रैटिट्यूड की प्रैक्टिस कम होती है, उनको पता चल जाता है. कैसे? she notices that she is feeling less happy. जब वो देखती है कि उनको उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, she starts her increases her gratitude. Yeah, if she feels उनको हेल्थ में कुछ ब्रेकडाउन लग रहा है, उनको पता चल जाता है उनमें हेल्थ में ग्रैटिट्यूड कम किया है, मतलब उनके हेल्थ के एरिया में. इट्स लाइक हम लोग के मार्क्स मिलते हैं ना हम लोग को रिपोर्ट कार्ड में, जिसमें अपन ने मेहनत ज्यादा की होती है उसके अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, राइट? तो क्या आप जिसमें आपने कम पढ़ाई की है उसके मार्क्स कम आते हैं.
After this chapter, I will share my thing I used to do.
Incidents.
Okay. Not coincidence.
Okay, so this is what she's telling us, that she observes around herself that which area needs more gratitude. ठीक है, कैसे पता चलता है उनको? जिस एरिया में उनको लगता है कि कुछ कमी है, कि मे बी उनको अपनी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लगती है, तो उनको पता चल जाता है कि क्या पता हमने अपनी ग्रेटिट्यूड कम की है अपने हेल्थ के एरिया में। कुछ रिलेशनशिप्स उतने अच्छे नहीं चल रहे हैं, तो उनको पता चल जाता है उनको अपने रिलेशनशिप में करना है इम्प्रूवमेंट। कुछ मनी मैटर्स उनके कम हो रहे होंगे, तो वो मनी एरियाज में ग्रेटिट्यूड करने लगती होंगी। ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू चेक इन योर लाइफ फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स कि किस एरिया में आपको ज्यादा ग्रेटिट्यूड करने की जरूरत है। ठीक है, या प्लीज रीड।
I'm not blinded by false appearances anymore. Instead, I look for the goodness to be grateful for in every circumstance, knowing that it's there. And then, like a puff of smoke, what was unwanted magically disappears.
Yeah, so now she's talking about the negative situations around us, okay, around her. So she's not blinded by false appearances anymore. माने जो उनको लगता है कि गलत है, हाँ, अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, तो अब वो उससे दुखी नहीं होती हैं। वो क्या करती हैं, वो उस सिचुएशन में भी, हर सिचुएशन में वो पॉजिटिविटी ढूंढने की कोशिश करती हैं। पॉजिटिविटी कैसे ढूंढेंगे कि कैसे वो इस सिचुएशन में भी ग्रेटफुल हों। ठीक है, तो जब वो जैसे में भी कुछ सामान खो गया, या कोई डांट पड़ी हमको, हाँ, या मेरी किसी से फाइट हो गई, या मेरा कोई सामान खो ही गया, हाँ, एग्जाम गंदा हुआ, प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी इस टाइप का, अगर जो भी हमारे डेली लाइफ में कुछ होता है जिससे हम लोग जनरली पहले इस मैजिक बुक के पहले अपसेट हो जाते थे, रोते होंगे, शिकायत करते होंगे, या और गुस्सा करते होंगे, हाँ, या आंसर बैक कर देते होंगे, तो अब उस सिचुएशन में भी वो गुडनेस ढूंढने की कोशिश करती हैं और गुडनेस के लिए ग्रेटफुल होती हैं। एंड जब वो ग्रेटफुल होती हैं तो क्या होता है, अनवांटेड क्या, जो भी उस सिचुएशन में हमको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होता है, या वो जो कंप्लेंट्स करने वाली होती हैं, दे मैजिकली डिसअपियर। Okay, so she has taught, again, if you read this paragraph again on your own, you'll understand what you have to do in a negative situation when you, because वो आएंगी, लाइफ ऐसी है, जब दिन रात सब कुछ ऐसा होता है तो हमारे लाइफ में भी अप्स डाउन आते ही रहेंगे। ठीक है, तो हर सिचुएशन में हमको पूरा टाइम अवेयर रहना है कि किस सिचुएशन को ज्यादा ग्रेटिट्यूड चाहिए, किस पेड़ को ज्यादा पानी चाहिए, we have to check that and work on it. And secondly, if a negative situation occurs, we just have to focus on the positive sides and start being grateful. Yeah, everyone is awake now? Yeah.
Yes, Masi.
Yeah. Okay, I thought sleeping time nahi ho raha hoga. Yes. So
I am to awake.
Yes, yes.
From starting, my camera is on.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Archit. After your dinner, it's been on. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Please continue.
I started out giving thanks for small things, and more thankful I became the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. Oprah Winfrey, B. 1954, media personality and businesswoman.
Yeah. So everyone knows who Oprah Winfrey is? Everyone knows? Yeah. You don't watch it. She's like a famous media personality. I'll share her photograph in the group, or someone can share. She's like a very famous person, a huge hit interview show used to come on telly, and she has seen lots of ups and downs, and she's saying that she started with saying thank you.
She has her own TV channel right now, which is called Oprah Winfrey Network.
Okay, Oprah Winfrey, or it is Harpo? I thought
no, it's own. Oprah has her own TV channel now. That's what she has, like.
Okay.
Her own network.
Okay, cool. So now she's telling us the more thankful she was for smaller things, the bigger her bounty, got. माने जितना छोटे छोटे चीजों के लिए भी थैंकफुल होती थी, उतना ज्यादा उनके लाइफ में मैजिक आता जाता था। ठीक है, so yes, and when you and that's because what you focus on expands. Yeah, तो माने जिस पे अपन ध्यान लगाते हैं, जिस पे अपन अपनी एनर्जी फोकस करते हैं, वो बढ़ जाता है। Yes, thank you for the shiny thing, Archit. Yeah, I also have a same ruler. See, even I have this. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, so the more we are focusing on the goodness, the more it increases in our life. जैसे आप किसी रिलेशनशिप में जैसे अपनी कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनता है या बनती है, तो क्या होता है, एकदम से तो उसमें इतना वो नहीं आता है ना, ऑफ कोर्स वी लाइक दैट पर्सन, बट जितना ज्यादा अपन उस पर फोकस करते हैं देन ओनली वी गेट टू नो अबाउट दैट पर्सन, कि उसकी लाइकिंग्स क्या है, उसका बर्थडे क्या है, कहाँ रहती है वो पर्सन, उसके घर में कौन कौन है. द मोर वी फोकस ऑन दैट पर्सन, या द मोर वी आर कनेक्टेड. या सो जितना ज्यादा हम
Ma'am, it takes time to make best friends, but it does not take time to make friends.
Okay, so it's like if you're focusing more on goodness, या उतना ज्यादा वो अच्छा बनता है, या उतना ज्यादा आप लोग क्लोज होते हैं उससे. यस, तो जैसे जैसे वो ग्रेटफुल होती गई उनकी लाइफ में अपॉर्चुनिटीज, रिलेशनशिप, इवन मनी फ्लोड इन अ वे, एंड वो हर चीज के लिए अपने लाइफ में ग्रेटफुल होती रही. Yeah, and like Tarini shared with us, now she has her own network. Though she started off with just 1 hour show every day, दोपहर में आता था, या दोपहर में मतलब यहाँ पे दोपहर में आता था, आई डोंट नो वहाँ पे कितने बजे आता होगा, बट पहले वो एक शो में आती थी. नाउ शी हैज हर ओन नेटवर्क चैनल लाइक तारिनी सिंह. तो वो छोटे छोटे चीजों के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना शुरू हुई, एंड नाउ शी हैज अ वंडरफुल लाइफ. Yeah, so this is what we have to do. We are starting with small things like the jet, the pen, the laptop, the paper, and as we practice it more and more, we will be grateful for more and more things, and our life will also become magical. Yes.
Through the practice of gratitude, you are using an infallible law of the universe. It is a gift from the universe to you, and it exists in order for you to use it and advance your life.
Yeah, so gratitude helps us achieve whatever we want by using this law of attraction. जितना ज्यादा हम grateful होंगे उतनी ज्यादा हमारी लाइफ में चीजें आएंगी, या situations आएंगी, या लोग आएंगे जिनके लिए हम लोग grateful होंगे. Yeah, please continue.
The universe and you. There is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. The way that is that this level of gratitude is reached through your relationship with the universe, or if you prefer spirit or God.
Yeah, please continue.
You can tend to think of the universe as separate from you, and when you think of it, look up above yourself and toward the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you and behind you and beside you, and it is within every single thing and every single person. That means the universe is within you.
Yeah. So now Rhonda Byrne is telling us that definitely हम लोग को gratitude अगर अपन कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, ठीक है, बट जितना ज्यादा हम लोग gratitude करेंगे उतना ज्यादा हमको तब मिलेगा, अनलिमिटेड abundance मिलेगी, when we connect with either the universe, या जो भी जिसको भी आप अपना, सब लोग प्रे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हाँ, tell me, everyone prays.
Yes.
अगर आप भगवान जी के पास जाके भी प्रे नहीं करते हो, सपोज पूजा रूम में आप नहीं जाते हो, मंदिर में भी 15-20 दिन में एक ही बार जाते होगे, या मे बी मंथ में एक बार जाते होगे, फिर भी एटलीस्ट आप ये
Ma'am, I have a temple at my home.
Same with me.
ओके, नहीं, माय थिंग इज आपके पास टेम्पल हो नहीं हो, इट डज नॉट मैटर, बट यू ऑल बिलीव दैट डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ सुप्रीम पावर. या उसको आप चाहे जो भी भगवान जी का नाम दो, या आप उसको गुरु जी का नाम दो, अगर आप उन सबको नहीं भी मानते हो तो एटलीस्ट यूनिवर्स तो है, नेचर तो है. तो जितना द वे दैट दिस लेवल ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड इज रीच्ड इज थ्रू योर रिलेशनशिप विद दैट गॉड, स्पिरिट और यूनिवर्स. ठीक है, कि जितना व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग योर ब्लेसिंग्स, आई हैव आस्क्ड यू ना टू राइट थैंक यू गॉड, या थैंक यू कृष्णा, थैंक यू राम, थैंक यू देवी माँ, थैंक यू गणेश जी, साईं बाबा, जिसमें भी आपको श्रद्धा होती है उसके उसका नाम लेके हमको, या थैंक यू गॉड, हमको अपनी ब्लेसिंग लिखनी होती है. ठीक है, सो नाउ रॉन्डा बर्न इज टेलिंग अस द स्ट्रॉन्गर आवर रिलेशनशिप, द स्ट्रॉन्गर आवर बिलीफ और फेथ in that supreme power, okay, the higher the abundance we are going to get. तो ये बहुत important चीज है.
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, I'm saying that I don't believe much in idols, like you said just now. I mean, yes, definitely there is. I believe in supreme power. I believe in universe, but not much towards God, if you say.
Okay. Okay.
You can kind of call me an atheist.
Even if you are an atheist, but you do believe maybe in your parents, okay, you feel like they have been giving you so much, or there is one supreme power. If not, then do you believe sun is there? Yeah. Sun, water, air, कोई ना कोई एक तो है, वो सबसे important. Okay, so the stronger you feel that this is the source, this is the source which has provided for everyone, for with everything. Yeah, the moment you start believing that, this is what Rhonda Byrne is telling us, this is what our Indian scriptures have been telling us, okay, कि एक वो चीज है, आप उसको परमात्मा बोलो, उसको वो शक्ति बोलो, it is definitely there. And Rhonda Byrne is telling us the same thing. The stronger you have that relationship, और ये कह रही है यूनिवर्स, if you prefer spirit or God, माने कुछ ना कुछ तो एक है. अगर आप नहीं भी भगवान में विश्वास करते हो, फिर भी कोई ना कोई तो ये है जो ये पूरी सृष्टि को चला रहा है, जिसके कारण हम लोग यहाँ पे बर्थ लेते हैं. वो डिसाइड करता है कब हम लोग ये पृथ्वी या ये शरीर छोड़ के जाएंगे, राइट? तो उसके संग जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन होएगा, इवन इफ यू आर एन एथिस्ट, डजंट मैटर, बट देयर इज स्टिल वन सुप्रीम पावर, ओके, वेदर यू फील इट इज यू.
Ma'am, but what if everyone have different religions?
Doesn't matter. She's not telling you have to follow one person or one God or one spirit. No, she's telling us through your relationship with universe, or if you prefer God. इसलिए मैंने कहा ना, आप जिसको भी मानते हो, ठीक है, आप महावीर जी को मानते हो या बुद्ध जी को मानते हो, जिनको भी मानते हो, आप उनके लिए लिख रहे हो, ठीक है. और यू कैन राइट कि नहीं, मेरे को तो लगता है कि नेचर सबसे बड़ा है. नेचर इन द सेंस लाइक यू नो द 5 एलिमेंट्स, वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आप उनके लिए लिखो, ठीक है. तो जितना ज्यादा आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ होएगा, ठीक है, उतना ज्यादा हमको अबंडेंस रिसीव होएगा, ठीक है. So now
I think that all gods are same, because old shows the old histories. If we go to that, everything is same. When this old story was coming on TV, that in that here, if I am a Brahmin and my side one is an Muslim, so they are like a family.
Yeah, so Archit, let me just, we'll not get into religion now. Let me just tell you, it's like when the sun is shining on you, it does not see like what religion you follow, what, you know, color you are, what gender you are. It does not believe in that. The sun will shine same on you. If it's raining, it will not see who's a Hindu, who's a Christian, who's a Muslim. It will not see all that. It will just, you know, pour on everything and anything. Okay, same way, you know, the breeze, same way the water.
For gratitude, religion does not matter.
Yeah, for gratitude, religion does not matter. And whatever you are believing in, you have to, you know, have that strong belief. That's all. That's what Rhonda Byrne is asking us to do. And now if we are looking at this, now she's telling us if it depends on the relationship with the universe. उन्होंने universe क्यों कहा? Universe किससे बना हुआ है? 5 elements से. Yes, earth, water, fire, space, and what was the 5th one? Earth, water, fire, air and space. Yeah, right. तो ये 5 elements से बना हुआ है. And अगर हम ऊपर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे sky है. Yeah. अब now she's telling us नीचे भी sky है. आप बोलोगे नीचे कैसे sky है? जो earth, ये जो अपना थोड़ा सा जो भी shape, someone said it's a different shape. It is not a, what was the shape? I'm forgotten.
I think circle.
Elliptical. Ma'am, it is spherical.
It's not spherical also. There was a new word that I learned.
elliptical.
Elliptical भी नहीं था.
Ma'am, geoid.
Geoid. You were the one I said it's geoid. I have to find it. Is it?
Yeah, geoid.
I thought it's elliptical, by the way. Okay? That's what I thought. It's elliptical. And like all the humans are like this now. Like ऊपर वाले हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं, side वाले ऐसे हैं, ये वाले ऐसे हैं, right? And the sky is all around. Yeah.
Ma'am, it is flat from the ends. That's why it is called geoid.
Okay, ठीक है, good. Thank you, Virat. Thank you for this info. Yeah, and Rhonda Byrne क्या बोल रही है, तो हम लोग को भी पता है. We have read it in geography that सब तरफ से हमारे sky है. Yeah, तो हमारे ऊपर भी है, हमारे नीचे भी है, and हमारे अंदर भी है. अंदर कैसे है? Because we are made of these 5 elements, right? Our body is made of these 5 elements. तो हमारे अंदर भी यही है, हमारे बाहर भी यही है, हम जिस पे बैठे हैं. In fact, everything is made of these 5 elements. Yeah.
Ma'am, how do we have space in our body?
There is space in our body. When you have not eaten, okay, in your tummy, what is there? There is some space. When you're breathing, empty space, no? Space is always empty. Space means space. It's empty. Okay, so it is there inside us also. If you Google, you'll get to know the exact percentage. सबसे कम space लेती है, ठीक है? And सबसे ज़्यादा space water लेता है. Okay, so you can Google it also. And we are also made of these 5 elements. So that's why she started off with that. It depends on your relationship with universe or if you prefer spirit or God. And here again, she's again telling us, while the universe most certainly is above you, माने आपके बाहर भी यूनिवर्स है, आपके अंदर भी वही 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं, और हर चीज में भी यही 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं. So she's indirectly telling you that you must be grateful to the 5 elements. Okay, so if you notice, we have been paying gratitude to the 5 elements for most of at the end of most of our sessions. अगर आपको हमने कहा कि वो abundance pose करना है, तो वो क्यों करना है? वो abundance pose करने से like you are surrendering to the universe, you are taking in things from the universe, कि वो जितना भर भर के आपको देगा उतना ज्यादा हमारे लाइफ में happiness आएगी. Okay, so if you make this a practice that you go out in the open wherever, whenever, if you do it on a regular basis, you will see that your dreams are coming true. Okay, so try it out. अभी तो आप लोग छोटे हो, आप लोग आराम से टेरेस पे जा सकते हो, ओपन में जाते ही हो आप खेलने कूदने. तो just stand with your hands as if you're like collecting from the universe and you are grateful to the universe. Okay, so let's read.
As below, so above, and as above, so below. With this knowledge alone, you may work miracles.
Yeah, so now see, as below so above and as above so below, माने हर तरफ यही यूनिवर्स है. अगर इस यूनिवर्स के लिए, इन 5 एलिमेंट्स के लिए हम लोग ग्रेटफुल होना शुरू हो जाएं, ठीक है, विद दिस नॉलेज. एंड व्हाट इज नॉलेज इफ वी डोंट यूज इट? टेल मी. विद दिस नॉलेज अलोन यू मे वर्क मिरेकल्स. माने इन 5 एलिमेंट्स के लिए जब अपन ग्रेटफुल होना शुरू हो जाएं, ठीक है, जब सुबह शाम हम हर चीज में उनके लिए ग्रेटफुल होएं, दैट इज द टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू अचीव ऑल आवर ड्रीम्स. या, isn't that miraculous? The emerald tablet. Yes, Anna.
The emerald tablet, circa 5000 to 3000 BC.
Yeah, so it is that same emerald tablet जिसमें शुरू में हम लोगों ने एक बुक में, just in the beginning of the book we had read a quote. Yeah, by this means you will acquire the glory of the whole world. तो ये दोनों चीज उन्होंने यही कहा है. By this means, like gratitude से हमको जो चाहते हैं वो मिल जाएगा. And किसके लिए gratitude करना है? For the 5 elements. Okay, so this is like most important. So from tomorrow onward, when you're writing your blessings, if you want to write thank you universe, it's very good. If you want to write thank you God, that is also equally nice. It's like the same thing only. Yes. Yeah.
When you understand that the universe is within you, and by its very nature, it is for you, wanting you to have more life, more health, more love, more beauty, and more of everything you want, then you will feel genuine gratitude to the universe for everything you receive in your life. And you will have established a personal relationship between you and the universe.
Yeah, so exactly the same thing, like what I just told you, almost the same thing, that the more you feel grateful for the universe, okay, the more you have abundance in your life. Okay, and you will have established a personal relationship. Personal relationship किसके संग होता है आपका? पेरेंट्स के संग, बेस्ट फ्रेंड के संग, कि आपको जो चाहिए, जो आपको बोलना है, आप उसको बोल सकते हो. तो when you have that kind of a relationship with the universe, your dreams are definitely going to come true. Okay, now please continue.
The more genuine gratitude you feel toward the universe for everything you receive, the closer your relationship becomes with the universe. And that is when you can reach the level of unlimited abundance from the magic of gratitude.
Yeah. तो जितना ज्यादा आप उसके संग क्लोज फील करोगे, हम लोग कब थैंकफुल होते हैं? हाँ, जब हमको एक्चुअल में लगता है कि यस, कितना अच्छा मेरे लिए कुछ किसी ने काम कर दिया. एंड ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड लव. टेल मी, जो चीजें आपको सबसे प्यारी लगती हैं, यू थिंक उसके लिए आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड करने के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा?
No.
So means the closer you feel with the universe, okay, means the more love you give for the universe, automatic आपकी deeper feelings निकलेंगी gratitude की, and तब unlimited abundance होएगा हमारे life में. ठीक है? Yeah, so gratitude is very important. One is that connection, but gratitude is very, very important. Yeah, please read.
You will have opened your heart and mind completely to the magic of gratitude, and with it, you will touch the lives of everyone you come into contact with. You will become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel for unlimited blessings on earth. When you get up close and personal with the universe, when you feel that closeness of the universe is within you, from that moment on, the world will belong to you, and there will be nothing that you cannot be, have, or do.
माने आप जितना ज्यादा यूनिवर्स को एक्सेप्ट करोगे, माने जितना ज्यादा यूनिवर्स को फील करोगे कि आपके अंदर है, मतलब आप उतना ज्यादा नेचर से कनेक्टेड हो, या आपके लाइफ में अबंडेंस हो रहा है और आप खुश हो, तो क्या होगा, व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी यू आर मेकिंग द अदर पीपल अराउंड यू ऑल्सो हैप्पियर। हाउ, कुछ गड़बड़ होता है आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आप तो हर सिचुएशन में पॉजिटिविटी देख रहे हो, हर सिचुएशन में ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हो, है ना। लाइक हाउ आहना शेयर्ड विद अस यस्टरडे कि उसका ब्रदर आल्सो इज डूइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड, राइट, बिना प्रैक्टिस बिना बुक करे ही इज आल्सो प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड। आप अच्छे मूड में हो तो बाकी के लोग भी आपके संग अच्छे से बिहेव करते हैं, ऐसा ही लगता है ना हमको। डोंट यू फील योर रिलेशनशिप्स हैव बिकम बेटर? that your interactions with your family, your friends has become better? तो क्या हो रहा है, आप जिसके टच में आ रहे हो उसकी लाइफ भी अच्छी हो रही है और आप ये कर रहे हो। इट्स लाइक इट इज धीरे धीरे आपके किनारे किनारे अच्छा होता जा रहा है, बाकी लोग भी अच्छा फील करते हैं विद यू। सो यू आर बिकमिंग अ फ्रेंड ऑफ द नेचर, फ्रेंड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, की आप लोगों की लाइफ में खुशियां लेके आ रहे हो, ठीक है। एंड जितना ज्यादा हम ऐसा करेंगे उतना हमको ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेंगी। एंड व्हेन वी आर डिसकनेक्टेड एंड व्हेन वी फील दैट दिस यूनिवर्स इज विद इन अस, तब क्या होगा, हम जो चाहते हैं, जो बनना चाहते हैं, जो करना चाहते हैं और जो हम सोचते हैं वो सब कुछ हमको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। सो व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू बी, माने आप क्या बनना चाहते हो, व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव, व्हाट यू वांट टू हैव एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, everything is possible for you. How? Just by using gratitude. Okay, so these are just 4 more pages. Yeah, Ahana, please read.
Gratitude is the answer. Gratitude is the cure for broken or difficult relationships, for lack of health or money, and for unhappiness. Gratitude eliminates fear, worry, grief, and depression, and brings happiness, clarity, patience, kindness, compassion, understanding, and peace of mind. Gratitude brings a solution to problems and the opportunities and wherewithal to realize your dreams.
Yeah. तो हर चीज ग्रैटिट्यूड से पॉसिबल है, चाहे कुछ भी हो। आप दुखी हो तो आप ग्रैटिट्यूड करो तो आपको अच्छा लगने लगेगा, आप सैड हो, आप गुस्सा हो, कुछ भी हो, आपकी तबीयत खराब हो, जो कुछ भी चाहिए, हर चीज में ग्रैटिट्यूड ही करना है हमको और उसी से ही हमारी सारी चीजें का सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा। ओके,
Gratitude is behind every success and it opens the door to new ideas and discoveries, as the great scientists Newton and Einstein proved. Imagine if every scientist followed in their footsteps, the world would be propelled into new territories of understanding, growth, and advancement. Current limits would be broken, and life altering discoveries would be made in technology, physics, medicine, psychology, astronomy, and every scientific field.
Yeah. तो अगर हर चीज में हर जन ग्रैटिट्यूड करने लगेगा तो क्या होगा, वो अच्छे रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्ट करेगा, वो अच्छी चीजें करेगा, तो कितने सारे एडवांसमेंट होंगे। हाँ, अगर आज के दिन में इतने दिन बाद जो ये वैक्सीन निकला है, अगर वो लोग शुरू से ग्रैटिट्यूड करके कर रहे होते, दिस इज व्हाट रोंडा बर्न इज टेलिंग अस, एंड डेफिनेटली यही होता, तब हमको वो वैक्सीन इतने टाइम में मिलती ही नहीं, पहले ही मिल जाती। या जिन लोगों ने ये इन्वेंट किया, राइट, दिस वायरस हैज बीन इन्वेंटेड ना, हाँ, तो वो अगर ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते, डू यू थिंक उन्होंने इसको निकाला होता, इस वायरस को? टेल मी, नहीं ना। बिकॉज वो लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करते थे, उनको पता ही नहीं था कि ग्रैटिट्यूड होता क्या है, तभी तो उन्होंने ये किया। क्या? तो अगर हर जन ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस करने लगेगा तो इतना ज्यादा एडवांसमेंट हो जाएगा हर।
मैम, इट्स जस्ट अ थ्योरी, व्हाट यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग इज नाइस।
अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू, बट this is what she is writing here. Yeah, yes, thank you. Let's continue.
If gratitude became a mandatory subject in schools, we would see a generation of children who would advance our civilization through spectacular accomplishments and discoveries, obliterating disagreements, ending wars, and bringing peace to the world.
Yeah, so I feel this is so important, and I'm telling you, mereko, when I started with this session for youngsters, I was not very confident about how I would connect with you guys, because I have I don't have kids, yeah, so I was not sure kaise hoga, will I be able to connect with you, but the more and more I have been doing, like with each day, I think within a few days only I felt ki nahi, I'm so
not few days. I think I was knowing you from early only, when you was doing these classes of my mom.
Okay, but see, I
because
not interacted with you now, so I did not know. So I was apprehensive, पता नहीं connect होगा कि नहीं, आएंगे भी 5-6 जन ही आएंगे. This is what I had thought, honestly. But now that you guys are here, and within a few days, I felt nahi. I'm so blessed that I got this chance to connect with you guys and maybe guide you a little bit about gratitude. And I felt so nice कि मेरे को अब दुख हो रहा है कि आज ये सेशन खत्म होने वाला है, ठीक है?
you started reading that biggest secret wali book.
I will. Abhi I am reading Mirror Work, so I will read the biggest secret after that.
Because जितना जल्दी हो सके एक नई बुक शुरू करनी पड़ेगी.
अच्छा, okay. उसके पहले अर्चित हम लोग दोबारा यही बुक करेंगे, ठीक है? Okay, because this is the ultimate book. Yeah, जितना अच्छे से easy से हमको रोज का एक practice बताया गया है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है? So if you do it, it will be this book only, ठीक है? So let's read this. Because again she is telling us आपके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, जो आप करना चाहते हो, जो आप बनना चाहते हो, सब कुछ पॉसिबल है थ्रू ग्रैटिट्यूड. एंड यू हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड योर स्टडीज एंड ट्राइंग टू realize what you actually want. So the sooner and faster you work on it, the happier you will become, and the happier this whole world will start becoming. Yeah, so please read, Anna.
The nations who will lead the world in the future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful. The gratitude of a nation's people would cause their country to thrive and become rich, would cause illness and disease to drastically drop, businesses and production to escalate, and happiness and peace to sweep the nation. Poverty would disappear and there would not be single person in hunger, because a grateful nation could never allow it to exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution.
Yeah, तो आप देखिए अगर एक्चुअल में सब जन ग्रैटिट्यूड करने लगे, ओके, इन अ कंट्री इफ एवरीवन इज बीइंग ग्रेटफुल, माने क्या होगा? कैसे आप बोलोगे कि सब लोग रिच कैसे हो जाएंगे? सब लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, इफ दे आर थिंकिंग दैट देयर बॉसेस प्रॉस्पर, दैट द जॉब इज अमेजिंग, जैसा हमने उस प्रैक्टिस में पढ़ा था, वर्क्स लाइक मैजिक. या इफ एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग लाइक दैट, if everyone is being grateful, then what will happen? वो बिजनेस फ्लरिश करेगा ही, उसकी फैमिली भी अच्छी होगी, तो वहां पे सब जन रिच एंड माने कूल हो जाएंगे, सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे. इट विल कॉज इलनेसेस एंड डिजीज टू ड्रास्टिकली ड्रॉप. क्यों? बिकॉज आप अपने हेल्थ के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हो. जब आप हेल्थ के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हो, फूड के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हो, तब डिजीजेस एंड इलनेसेस कम हो जाएंगे. या जो साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च कर रहे हैं वो ग्रैटिट्यूड से रिसर्च एंड वो कर रहे हैं, तब क्या होगा? टेक्नोलॉजी और एडवांस होती जाएगी, प्रोडक्शन अच्छा होएगा, बिजनेस अच्छे होंगे, एंड द होल कंट्री विल डेवलप, ठीक है? एंड इफ एवरीवन इज प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड, एवरीवन, एक नेशन कर रहा है तो बाकी लोग उसको देखेंगे, क्योंकि क्या होता है? एवरीवन इमिटेट्स द अदर पर्सन. हाँ, उसका स्कूल का स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाएगा, क्या ये लोग ऐसे कर रहे हैं, एंड द होल वर्ल्ड विल हैव अ ग्रैटिट्यूड रेवोल्यूशन. Okay, and if you think of it, which is the country which is the most powerful right now? Don't say China, okay? Yeah, anyone? Which is the most powerful country? Which one do you think?
USA. Hands down, Israel.
Oh, you write it down.
Hands down.
Hands down. Acha. Okay. No, I feel it's the US. Nahi kya? Don't you feel it's the US?
Yeah, US, Norway also.
Yes.
Yeah.
But US is also scared of Israel. That is the whole point.
Okay. Okay. So here
It's the US.
It's the US. Yes, it's the US. So why is it? Tell me. वहां पे सबसे ज्यादा थैंक्सगिविंग होती है, सेलिब्रेट की नहीं. हाँ, and most of the people before their meal, the family sits together and does grace. Yeah, so I feel that country is the most powerful nation because they have been practicing gratitude every day before their meals as a family. Yeah, most of the families practice this, है ना? तो वो अगर वो फैमिली नहीं, they have a whole, एक दिन की फेस्टिवल ही है उनकी कि थैंक्सगिविंग डे है ना? आई थिंक द जैन कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो डज दिस. उनका भी एक फेस्टिवल है, या विच इज दैट मिच्छामी दुक्कडम समथिंग ना?
Yeah, Michami Dukkadam.
मिच्छामी दुक्कडम, या उनका भी है. एंड इफ यू सी, दे एज अ कम्युनिटी आर वेरी प्रॉस्परस. या इन आवर कंट्री ओनली इफ यू सी, दे आर सो प्रॉस्परस. तो ऐसा क्यों है? दे आर बीइंग ग्रेटफुल. एंड मिच्छामी दुक्कडम इज आल्सो अबाउट फॉरगिवनेस, राइट?
Yeah, asking for forgiveness for anything that you're wrongdoing or undoing.
Yeah, so it is about forgiveness. And if they have a festival just for forgiveness के बाद क्या होता है? Don't you feel nice and happier? जिसको forgiveness मिल जाती है वो तो होता ही है, लेकिन जो कर रहा होता है forgive, वो भी तो थोड़ा हायर लेवल का होता है ना. वरना कैसे होता है? कोई सॉरी बोलता है, do you immediately accept? हाँ हाँ ठीक है, no problem, tell me. So when you start following these things, that is the time when you are rising above the others. Okay, and that is when you are actually becoming powerful. Okay, so let's practice this. And yes, Ahana, please continue. This is the last page. Sorry, I've taken so much time of yours, but we just finish off now. Yeah.
No. We are not minding that.
Okay, thank you, Ajit. You're so sweet now. What to say? I'm in love with you. Okay.
Ma'am, but
yes,
ma'am, actually my school started from today. So can you just hurry up with the course and then I'll just go after the sharing.
Yes, okay. Just one more page, Virat. Thank you so much.
Because my school start from 7:30, so I have to get up.
Okay. Just, I think 5 more minutes. Thank you. Yeah. Please read, Hannah.
Take the magic with you. Take gratitude with you wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your passions, encounters, actions, and life situations to make all your dreams come true. In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over and you're at a loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn to the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in your life, the circumstances around the challenging situations will magically change.
Yeah. So now if we want magic in any area, in any situation, we just have to do gratitude. Okay. And the more and more we practice, the more and more the magic will happen. And the lesser you'll have to think. Yeah. जैसे 2 + 2 अब हमको करने के लिए सोचना नहीं पड़ता है ना. 2 × 2 करने के लिए सोचना पड़ता है. जैसे जैसे चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशंस आती जाएंगी और हम ये प्रैक्टिस करते जाएंगे, मे बी 9 × 9 सोचना पड़ता होगा, मे बी 15 × 15 सोचना पड़ता होगा, बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट. बट जैसे जैसे हम जो सिचुएशन में हम लोग ये प्रैक्टिस करते जाएंगे ग्रैटिट्यूड, उतना इजीली हमारे लिए हो जाएगा ये मैजिक लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट करना. ठीक है. एंड वी हैव टू सैचुरेट द मैजिक ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड इनटू योर पैशंस, एनकाउंटर्स, एक्शंस एंड लाइफ सिचुएशंस. माने आप अगर मैकेनिक्स भी कर रहे हो अर्चित, या खुशी आप IAS ऑफिसर के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, खुशी आप अपने विजन बोर्ड के लिए बना रहे हो, जो कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो, यू जस्ट हैव टू सैचुरेट. मतलब क्या होता है? उसको डुबो दो. राइट. सैचुरेट मतलब तो यही होता है ना कि सैचुरेट इट. इट्स लाइक फिल इट टू द पोर्स. एक एक उसकी कण पोर के अंदर उसको फिल कर दो. तो इफ यू आर एक्चुअली सैचुरेटिंग योर whatever you are doing, if you're saturating that with gratitude, your life is going to be magical. Okay. And फिर जब negative situation आएगी और आप ये same practice करते जाओगे, this is how that situation will also turn into a positive one. Okay. Yeah. Please
We
read.
showed him, that is man, the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful, rests on his will. See the Quran Al-Insan 76:3.
Yeah. So now this book has shown us the way. Okay. Like how it's written in the Quran, that now we know the way to what? To achieve our dreams, to be happy, to be successful, to be healthy, to be rich. The only way is gratitude. Now it is up to us whether we follow on that path or not. Okay. Yeah.
Say the magic words, thank you, say them out loud, shout them from the rooftops, whisper them to yourself, say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. But wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you.
Yeah.
To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is on your lips. It is inside your heart and it is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic. Rhonda Bond.
Yeah. So now the more and more grateful we are, the happier our life will be. Now in this paragraph, she's telling us that say the magic words. माने हर समय हमारे थॉट्स में, हमारे एक्शंस में, हमारे हार्ट में ग्रैटिट्यूड होना चाहिए. ठीक है. एंड जितना ज्यादा हम लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे, उतना ही हमारे लाइफ में अबंडेंस आती रहेगी. और क्या है? द आंसर इज ऑन योर लिप्स, इट इज इनसाइड योर हार्ट. क्या? सिर्फ थैंक यू इज द, क्या बोलते हैं ना, जादुई वर्ड, abracadabra types. Okay. So whatever we want, we'll achieve through gratitude. And look how pretty she is. Yeah. And let's read we'll just read this paragraph. This is a different book. Yeah.
About Rhonda Byrne. Rhonda began her journey with The Secret film, viewed by millions across the planet. She followed with The Secret Book, a global bestseller available in 47 languages and with above 20 million copies in print. The Secret has remained on the New York Times bestseller list for 190 weeks and was recently named by USA Today as one of the top 20 best-selling books of the past 15 years. Rhonda continued her groundbreaking work with The Power in 2010, also a New York Times bestseller and now available in 43 languages.
So thank you, Hannah, for reading so nicely for all of us. Yeah. And thank you, everyone. And
Thank you,
before
ma'am.
you're sharing, let's do the gratitude so that if any of you want to leave, can leave. Okay. So let's join our hands and close our eyes and pay our gratitude to the Supreme Power. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the great Almighty, to the wonderful universe, the wonderful 5 elements of nature for filling our life with abundance and happiness. Thank you, Rhonda Byrne, for showing us this path and filling our life with happiness. Thank you for showing us this amazing power of gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so thank you, everyone. And seriously, I'm going to miss you all. Okay, and best wishes to achieve all your dreams. Okay.
Then if you miss, you have to read a new book and you have to start a new session.
Okay, I don't know about a new book, but I'm definitely starting with magic again. Okay, for you guys only. And of course, with you, I will share in the group. Okay, not within 10 days, after 10 days only. Acha, you guys are starting school also now, right?
Yeah.
Already started.
Already started. Okay, okay. So what time will suit you guys?
I think 8 wala sahi tha.
8 to 9.
Yes, ma'am. That was perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. And when do you guys have exams? Abhi time hai?
It's time.
What time hai? ठीक है. So I'll inform you guys कि कब से हम लोग magic session start करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? And secondly, yeah, this was impromptu. मेरा कोई plan नहीं था. I had kind of committed कि senior section वाला करेंगे, but I'm telling you guys कि करेंगे. उन लोग को मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला है कब करेंगे. ठीक है? So I will be starting soon with the younger like you guys. And if you feel कि नहीं हम लोग ने कर लिया है और नहीं करना है, so if you guys know anyone else who would want to join, because I feel जितना ज़्यादा आप इसको दूसरों के लाइफ में gratitude introduce करोगे उतना ज़्यादा आपके लिए भी अच्छा होगा. And you would want to talk about positivity only all around, right? So I would want to thank Tanvi. You have been amazing, conducting how, we are doing the waiting room and things, and how you have been compiling things. कि सबका birthday भी कर दिया. Thank you so much. Yeah, Archit, you are the sweetest of the lot. And Viraj and Vivan chala gaya kya? Yes, Viraj, you are also amazing with your inputs, right? Suddenly aa jate ho kahin se bhi, but those are also very welcome.
He gives us a knowledge. मतलब जो भी point आया था.
Yes, Archit, thank you. That's why I'm thanking him, na? Yeah. So Viraj, you are also amazing. Tarini, you also with your vast knowledge, and Nitya, you are also amazing.
Ma'am, Vivan was about to sleep and he was almost sleeping in the class because he was tired. Ma'am, he had 6 classes since morning and this was the 7th one.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I should have kept it at 9 or earlier only, na? I'm so sorry. Achha, when is Vivan's birthday, Viraj?
7th April. Your mom's birthday.
Yes. तो मैं कहाँ लिख लिया उसको पता नहीं. Yours is written 5th Feb. Yeah. Sorry. ठीक है. So done. And Ishita, Anna.
Ma'am, I just asked Tanvi Didi to add my name and she added.
Okay, thank you. And the silent ones also who keep the cameras off. I notice you guys, and I guess you are very shy, but you will definitely come on. Khushi, you are also so sweet. You have been sharing amazingly in the group and inspiring others. Khushi, please start smiling more. Avni, you also, yeah, and look at better things. Always at the good side of things, yeah. Better things you are seeing.
Ma'am, I just have last 2 questions before ending this session.
Okay, please ask. Then I'll continue. And we have to wish Vanchika also for a birthday. She has been here with us on her birthday. Yeah. So let the young ones share and ask the questions before he goes off to sleep as well. Yes, Viraj, switch on your camera, please.
Just a second. Yes. Now I'm in the position.
Oh, now you're in the position. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, the first question is that if we want to do the magic practice again, so is it necessary to read the whole book, or we can just directly do the practices?
So as it is, you're supposed to read that practice for the day. You don't have to read the whole book to start the practices, right? So if you want to start from day one, you already know what day one is. You have to write your blessings. Then next day is magic rock. So you're already doing magic rock. So I feel day one, day two, to ऐसे ही skip कर देना चाहिए, because you're supposed to be doing it every day. You can straight away start from day 3, day 4, day 5. Each day you read just that particular chapter and do the practice. Okay.
And ma'am, the second question is that sometimes when a mosquito or an insect bites me, I kill it. I don't know why I kill it, but I kill it. So ma'am, what do I have to do for recovering the mistake?
And you have to say, I'm so grateful I killed the mosquito. Otherwise, it would have bitten someone else, right? And it could have caused some, itching, scratching, and you just save that other person from that scratch and itch, right? So that's it.
Ma'am, I'm just saying that I killed someone's life. So what do I have to do?
What do you have to do?
Yes, ma'am. Anything for gratitude towards the mosquito, because I killed him.
Yes, that there's another thing. Do you believe in rebirth?
Yes, ma'am.
You gave mukti to that mosquito's soul so that it can move on to the next level. Yeah, this is what is being taught in our scriptures and our religious texts, right? So that
And ma'am, only gods can't get rebirth, because they get the Siddhalok Prapti and they become totally Shuddha.
Okay, so definitely we are not talking about mosquito now. Let's stick to mosquito. Yeah, so when you kill a mosquito, you are releasing him from that mosquito's life. You are making that mosquito move on to the other life. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the session. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Viraj, for being with us and connecting. Thank you so much for attending every day. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's wish Vanchika. Viraj, just wait for one more second, please. Yeah. So Vanchika, we are wishing you. So please switch on your camera. Yeah. And I'll.
Yes.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm too shy.
Happy birthday, dear Vanchika Didi. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Come true. Love you, Vanchika. Keep smiling like this always. And you have to post how your room has been decorated, okay?
Yes, yes.
So please share it in the group, huh? Her mom
I'll do it.
decorated her room in a wonderful manner, okay? So you just have to see that. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, yes. Okay. So, and yeah, you guys are seriously amazing. Just keep doing the practices and just see how life is going to turn magical. Okay. And you have to make your vision board. जिसने भी नहीं बनाया है, vision board बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. And Vanchika, you would like to share how you made your vision board?
I'll post it in the group, Masi.
Yes. And she has been doing it long before this session. Yeah. For many years, for many years you have your vision board on your room.
Yes, I have it in my room. Yeah, I put it on the door.
Yeah. So see, and she has actually got admission in her dream.
Thank you, everyone. It's such a
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you have to share this. When you're inspiring others, you are collecting blessings. You know that. So I'll
share.
You got admission in your dream college.
Yes.
Yes, I wanted to design, so yeah, I got into design.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So amazing. So it's very easy to do that. You just have to make your vision board. Okay. It has to be for you. It does not have to be very fancy. कि लोग क्या देख रहे हैं उसको judge करें. Nothing. It is for you. You have to see it, and it is like your dream. the more you see it, the more, see, जितना ज़्यादा उसको देखते हैं ना, तो ऐसे अंदर से कुछ होता है type.
You attract it.
Yes, and then you attract it. How do you attract it? By your feelings when you look at that vision board. Okay, so
Yes.
do that and keep being grateful. It'll be amazing.
Ma'am, when we do our next session, the vision boards will be ready.
Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
that's true.
That's true, Narchit. ठीक है.
Slowly, I am jugaading to do.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah.
Can I just say something?
Yes, Ahana, yeah.
Ma'am, along with everyone you thanked, a major thanks to you for bringing magic into our lives, because most of us were, literally unknown of this book and this writer and all this positivity, gratitude, the importance of gratitude. And because of you, you've been getting millions and billions of blessings from us as well as our parents, because not only through you, we also spread this magic, and it has been like really a great month. So thank you so much. And I've actually seen the change my parents have done, so thank you so much for this.
Yes, thank you, Ahana.
Thank you so much, Masi.
Thank
I
you.
have thanked you before.
Yes, thank you, Archit, and I am thanking you guys. Like, you guys are amazing. Like, that's why I'm saying I want to do this session with you guys more. Like, really touched. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I will write in my blessings that Priya ma'am is starting this magic book session very soon.
Stick to magic book. Don't say the greatest secret. Okay, then only it will start. Thank you, Archit. Thank you, guys. Love you. Okay.
I'm not feeling to leave this meeting. I don't know why.
Thank you for the amazing session. I think it's been amazing.
Okay, thank you.
And I've not missed a single day, and I'm amazed with myself about that.
Wow. Please add some color to your wardrobe, Tarini. Black and white नहीं चाहिए, और भी थोड़ा colors चाहिए ना life में, right? थोड़ा सा color add करना चाहिए. Yeah, do that.
Minimalism. I'm going towards minimalism. So
Towards minimalism. Okay. So Maslow's chart also, right? So first you have to achieve your desires and dreams. Then only you can, achieve higher and higher things. Yeah. So
what is that? What did you say?
Maslow's law. Okay.
No, I don't know about this.
Okay. So you can just
you'll share?
Yeah, I'll share it also.
On the group.
Yes. So, and thank you so much, all of you. Whom did I miss? Anokhi? On and off you keep coming, so we haven't interacted much. Ishita, the more and more you smile, accept yourself, and everyone, you have to do the mirror practice on a regular basis. Everyone, whatever you want to, achieve, whatever you want, the changes happening in you, just look in the mirror and say it. Okay.
Ma'am, I wanted to say something.
Yes, Ishita. Yeah.
Ma'am, generally, like when we do classes or whenever everything of that sort, actually, I'll just turn on my camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ma'am, whenever, we start on with our classes, after a certain point of time, there's this that we all just want to just procrastinate, not attend. That's happened a lot of times during this pandemic online classes. But for your classes, I don't know how, but जनरली मुझे अलार्म लगाना पड़ता था क्लासेस अटेंड करने के लिए. आपके क्लास के लिए मैं 10 मिनट पहले ही रेडी होके आई वाज लाइक अभी मैम का क्लास होने वाला है, एंड आई डिडंट इवन मिस अ सिंगल डे. इवन टुडे आई हैड माय कंप्यूटर क्लासेस. Immediately after I finished with it, I joined today.
Wow, thank you.
That's such a sweet thing. Like I literally wrote about you and my blessings for literally the first 10 days. I wrote my blessings.
Wow, thank you. I'm so blessed with this. So much love. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it's, more than the session. It's about the things that we are learning in it. Okay. And the more gratitude you are practicing, you are finding that change in yourself. Okay. And it's a change in you. I have not done anything. I'm just reading from the book, right? I'm just reading from the book. So it's you who are experiencing it by writing your blessings, by sharing. Okay, so wonderful. Okay, so thank you, and I will definitely.
Thank you,
yes, thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Nitya, your ideas are amazing. All of you must write that letter. And Nitya, I've already ordered the Good Vibes Wala book by Vex King. And thank you for inspiring all of us.
For the letter thing, I have one more. Like, I'll send a website. therein you can drop your letter and you can choose a date and it will deliver that letter to your email address on that specific date.
Wow, awesome.
It's really wonderful. Yeah.
Yes, yes. That,
I'll send the address.
yes. Thank you, and love you all. Okay.
See you soon, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye.
So soon, yes, we'll be meeting each other soon. Okay. Archit, smile.
Yes.
What are you doing? Don't tell me. So sweet.
is he doing?
He's crying.
Oh,
Oh my god.
So sweet. Tight hug, Archit, dear. Sweetheart.
oh shit. Oh god. Why is he crying?
Archit, we'll meet tomorrow only. Don't worry, please. Sweetie.
Oh.
अपनी गाइस प्लीज ऐसे नहीं करो तुम लोग. हम लोग कल ही मिल लेते हैं, ठीक है? सेशन और नो सेशन, वी आर मीटिंग टुमारो, ठीक है? 8 o'clock we'll meet here again. अर्चित, अपनी प्लीज ऐसे नहीं करो तुम लोग. हाँ
Ma'am, after this COVID is over, we're coming to Kolkata to meet you.
Okay,
Sure.
that will be awesome.
I'm coming tomorrow only to meet you.
Vanshika, I should have come to see you today. It's your birthday. Archit, we are seeing each other tomorrow, okay? एकदम भी नहीं ऐसे करते, ठीक है? You are a wonderful, wonderful child, okay? Your mom is blessed to have you as a kid, all of you, okay? That you guys are doing this session, you're following this gratitude practice. And I have heard from a couple of mothers that they are loving how you guys are, being positive and good, okay? So keep doing that and you will get your dreams, okay? Love you guys. Archit, let's disconnect and we'll definitely seeing each other tomorrow, even if it's for 10 minutes, okay? I'll just ask किसने blessings लिखी हैं, किसने नहीं लिखी हैं, okay? Yes.
Thank you, ma'am, for the patience and love and the knowledge.
Thank you. Love you all, ठीक है? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.